first clip of the literal farmers market breakdown. I'm going to sit down here in a little bit. It's going to be in a slow period, but we're going to break down everything that we made and what we sold so far for this specific video alone. Cost of what we've purchased, cost of what it costs to get this event, and how long we've been here. So we started at 10 a.m. So I'm going to try to cover the morning half of the content. I am trying to make sure one of us is filming when we get our transactions. All right, we're going to talk about over how much we've made and what kind of products have sold. Of kind of everything that we have, all the things that we've done, or all the money we've made so far. It's only halfway through the day. It's currently 3 p.m. It's been fairly steady, slow morning for like the first 2 hours, but then it's been steady pace the rest of the week. All right, so for the first half of today, the breakdown is kind of one of the things that we're highlighting today is the change in the keychain rack. It has definitely helped and it's enhanced our keychain sales significantly. Half of our sales today have been keychains. We have made $49.50 in keychain sales alone, and that's with our buy two, get the third one free offer. Now we have made some custom order sales because we adjusted the price just for today. On the first half of the day with the eggs, we've been selling dragon eggs. We sold 4 total dragon eggs for $15 a piece. And we've sold a couple dragons themselves. And right now our total amount for what we've gross sale income right now is $161.50 on 8 sales. So we're averaging about $20 a sale, which is really, really good. That's not normally how much we average. So this is on the higher end for today. That's where we're at right now, and we'll definitely pick back up later today. All right, we just made another sale. We sold a bone dragon in the cryo chamber. And would you like a bag for it? Absolutely. I'll go ahead and bag this up for you. Thank you so much, sir. All right, y'all. We just made another sale. We just sold a sunflower dragon and a bone dinosaur for a total of $43.30. All right, real quick. So we had a last minute $15 order to grab a couple of things from the dollar bin and one of the rainbow axolotls, and that completes the day. So our total number for the day of $258.50. We had a pretty good day. It's on par with our normal days that we have at this farmers market pop-up shop that we do. But that wraps it up for just the market stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video. As we progress and get used to this, adding on to the channel, we will get better and better every time. And if you guys want us to go back to including it in the vlogs, we can do that. We will catch you guys on the next market breakdown video.